Hello everyone, it's Yusuf again. In today's tutorial we will explore the difference between type and instance parameter in Revit using circular table as an example. So we are going to make a circle table with some dimension. We will add some parameter, then we are going to explain the difference between them. If you find this tutorial is useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more, and let's get started. So we are going to make a new family. We are going to choose metric furniture, and I will make open. As you can see, we are on the reference level now. We are going to make a base for our table. Let's make it 20 centimeter or 200 millimeter with extrusion. I think it's enough to make it 20 centimeter. I will make 2 centimeter, sorry. And you see now this is the base of our table. Then I'm going to make a cylinder here where it's connection between the top of circle diameter or circle table and the base. We are going to make set, pick a plane. It will be the face of our uh, base uh, table. So we are going to draw here. So I'm going to show you. I just want to draw to this surface. So I'm going to reference plane again. I will make extrusion, and I would like to make a cylinder with 22 centimeter as a radius, and I will make okay. So we are going to 3D model again and just make to drag it up. It will be, I think, enough. And the last thing we are going to make is to make the top surface of our circular table. So we are going to create, and I can also pick a plane. I will make the top surface of our cylinder, and then I will make our table. Let's make it with diameter 1200, or let's make it, sorry, 700. So it will be 70 centimeter the radius with overall 1000, sorry, uh, let's make it 700, 1400. It's overall. We are going to change. Okay, we did now. This is table. It looks weird. We can, how we can make some parametric. We add some parametric here. First, I want to control the top face of our table. Then I'm going to control the height of this cylinder, and third I'm going to control the thickness of both circles, so or both the base and the surface of our circular table. So first, how we can make parametric uh, for this is circle or surface of our table. We are going to dimension. I will choose diameter here, and then I will click here and I will make table diameter or D. Okay, so now I'm going to go on 3D model, and I will show you what I did now. If I will say that I want the diameter of our table to be 1 meter, you see now it changed like I want. Second thing I'm going to do is to control the height of our table and the thickness of the base, and here the top surface of our table. So I'm going to the left, and I'm going to make reference plane. It's very important to make reference plane to your Revit family. It's not just to make dimension directly to the extrusion. It's not professional, and this is not acceptable. So just pay attention here, please. I'm going to make dimension of this is reference planes, and I will say that this is will be our table thickness, table thickness, And pay attention here, I will make it type, and then I will show you the difference between type and instance. And then I will make, this is extrusion, I will lock it in place with, this is reference plane, and I will make extrusion to this is reference plane. And now I'm just going to say that this is table thickness, I want it to be at 20 millimeter, so it's 2 centimeter. Then I'm going to lock our cylindrical or connection between the base and the top surface, and I will lock this extrusion. I will also lock on the base. Again, I'm going to make a reference plane for the base of our table. We already have this one and this one, so no need. I'm just going to make dimension and make new. Let's make it also, no need to make a new parameter. Let's say table thickness. The, so if I will change the table thickness, the thickness will change here and here, like you want, or you can make one again, but I don't want to put too much parameter to make it more understandable. The another thing, I'm going to control the height of our table. So I'm going to make dimension between here and here, the top of our table surface and the base. So let's say this is will be the height. What's the next? So let's check our table now. Let's say that I want the height to be 800. We just need, sorry, the table diameter will be 800, and let's say the height I needed to make it 1 meter. Let's make it no 500, and you will see now we are controlling the height of the table, the thickness. Let's make it 30 millimeters. So you see now this is the thickness. I will make it 20 again, and I will make apply. I need to change now the material. So here I want to make, let's go to the realistic. You see now we have extrusion without nothing. So I'm just going to go to categories, and I will choose something like wood here. I think birch is very good, so I'm going to make apply. Make this is, then I'm just going to select both of this is extrusion, the base and the connection, and I will make it something with aluminum or metal. Let's see what we have. Black metal or aluminum, doesn't matter. I think this is okay. And you see now this is our circular table. But now I want to show you something, it's very important. I'm going to load this in our project, so I'm going to make metric architecture template I will choose, and I will just load this is family or table inside our project, and I will load another one here. So if I'm going to now, I'm going to make a realistic, and you will see that this is our small circle table. I think it looks not bad. I like it. Doesn't matter. So I want to show you something now. If I'm going to edit type, and I would make the table diameter is 1 meter, you see both of them they changed. And let's say I don't want this. I just want this table to change, but this one I don't want it to change. So I can change any table I want. Why this is happen? Okay, I will tell you. You remember when I told you please pay attention? So if I'm going to family type here, and I will check the height or the table diameter, I will go to edit. You see that I make it as a type. If I make it as an instance, so you are going to control each table or each family uh, alone. So I'm going to make them all as instance here. Also the thickness, I will make them instance, and I will load it again in our project, and pay attention here, override the existing version and its parameters value. It's very important to click here. And let's see now, uh, if I want to change this is table, no need to go to edit family. The height and the table diameter and the thickness, it's already shown here. So let's make the height is 800 and the diameter is 1500 with thickness 30 millimeter. You see that the table changed, but this one doesn't change. So this is the difference also between in the family type between instance and type. I hope you really like this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe because will help me a lot. Also, you won't miss any of my future tutorials. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.